Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm going to show you guys how to use DAS or Xentry or whatever you want to call it. Say you got this jammy jam, you're going to press on Mercedes. If that's a Mercedes that you got, you can either put your VIN number in or you could press passenger car. And let's say I got a 2003 CLK 55, so I could press C and I could go down to, if you don't know the number of the car, just look for the picture of the car. That looks like the CLK to me, so okay, 209, right? And then you could either click this, or you could just, click the model of your car, or you could just press Xentry Diagnostics, and then it's gonna pretty much figure out what car you got, right? And sometimes even if I'm in C class and I hit, I got it plugged into a S class and I press the diagnostics, it just figures it out. Okay, we're gonna read all this blah blah blah. Okay, that's good. Then we're gonna wait for the next screen. Any day now. Okay, I know speak it is Dutch, so we're gonna press F2 next. And blah blah blah. I mean, the tool is super easy. So, I would suggest to anybody who has a Mercedes-Benz to pick one of these up. Look, you can get these things on the internet from China, like $600, $700 with a laptop and the multiplex cable and all that jazz. Most of the time, they don't give you charges for the laptop for some reason. I don't know why. But anyway, I picked this up. I can't even tell you how much money it saved me between this car, this CLK 55, and my S600. Everything you can imagine you could do it on this. A regular scan tool is not going to work. This is actually give you a how-to guide on how to make repairs if you needed to. Okay, so now once you're in the main groups of the car, you could do quick test, and it'll go through every single device and sensor, whatever. You can go to control units, click on that. And then obviously you have some control units that do multiple things. So you could go to, I don't know, drive if you want. Transmission, sure, let's go to transmission. All right, we're gonna see what's going on. If there's anything going on, hopefully there's not. We'll go to fault codes, right? So you could do actuations. You could do initial startups, why not? We'll do initial startup. Why not? Yeah. Whatever. Just press OK. Initial startup, take those, blah blah blah. Yeah. Okay. Blah blah blah, and so on and so on. It's a great tool. So I would suggest if you have it, if you have the money, and you have one of these cars, or any of these cars. I would suggest you get it. Save yourself some money. Because if you have to go to the dealer for every little thing on a Mercedes-Benz, it's going to get pricey really quick. Any questions, just leave me a comment. I'll walk you through whatever you got to do on Xentry, DAS, whatever you want to call it. All right? Have a good one.